Hello to you all. My name is Isabel Marrucho, and I am the coordinator of the thematic line SusChem, which stands for Sustainable Chemistry for Energy, Environment, and Manufacturing. As you all know, sustainable development has been defined in the end of last century as the development that allows the current generation to meet their needs without endangering the ability of the future generations to meet their own. However, when we look around, the resources that we think were unlimited are in fact finite and have been decreasing. The world's population has been increasing, and right now the resources are not enough for the whole population. On the other hand, we also know that the environment is not going to cope with our reckless actions anymore. So what this all means is that sustainable development is not a choice anymore. Sustainable development became mandatory. And this has been very nicely put in the United Nations 2030 Agenda for the Sustainable Development, where the goals to pursue have been clearly identified. For instance, affordable and clean energy, clean water and sanitation for all, climate change, waste management and pollution management, just to mention a few. Another example comes from the periodic table. In 2019, we've celebrated the 250th anniversary of the periodic table. And we know that in there are elements that are critical, which means that their supplies on Earth will not last more than a couple of years. So what matters now is to understand what we as scientists, what is the answer that we want to give to these challenges? What is the role that we feel that we should play? Typically, chemists and chemical engineers have been answering the sustainable development goals through green chemistry and green engineering, through the design of new chemical products that reduce or eliminate the generation of hazardous substances, through the engineering of new chemical technologies that minimize the risks, maximize the resources, and prevent the pollution at all stages of the production life cycle. So I am sure that all of you can find a contribution in your own work for the sustainable development. Today, I here challenge you to find how.